Yeah.
It would just kill me just to get in and out of the water.
Y'all didn't see the fin or anything?
No, what it was is the lifeguard saw it. Lifeguard saw it and wondered if it was a seal, but then thought, well, it didn't look like a seal fin. It stayed up for a while, so they're thinking.
How long was he hollering at us to get out?
Just a couple seconds. You heard almost instantly.
Good. I saw a fish. I was about to tell you to come out there, but
Yeah, dude, I was floating, sucking wind.
It's never happened.
I was gonna say, all of these kids here were like, "Oh my God, I've never seen him do that before." You know, they were all doing their head up. Yeah, I don't think so either.
Beach is closed, Sean. Beach is closed.
Seriously, they saw a shark.
Oh, wait 10 minutes.
Yeah, but they said they're not closed for a couple hours.
Serious? Oh, lovely.
Maybe we can sit on the shore.
Yeah, all right.
Brought up out of there. Sand shark. Oh my God.
Sand sharks. That's good, sand sharks.